What's up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing what I think is the best Bluetooth car adapter for playing music in your car. This is I'm not sure how to pronounce this, I'm just going to say Zeus because it sounds cool. So the Zeus Universal HD Car Audio Adapter by Nanda. I got this from Walmart for $25, which is a little bit steep, but like I said, this is the best. You get really awesome sound quality. It's the best sound quality I have ever had in a thing like this. Previously, I've had these, which I got this for $10, a Monster Bluetooth transmitter. It didn't sound nearly as good. I used this in my car, and the bass just wasn't as good, and overall clarity was not as premium. So I decided to get this one from Walmart, which was more expensive but definitely worth it, and it works awesome. I've also had some other Bluetooth things like this, but none of them sounded as good as this one. This one is really awesome. It's got a lot of features. So first of all, it's capable with all cars. It has HD sound quality, hands-free calling, and this is the kind of microphone technology that they have. It's got noise cancellation, dual mics, so it's really good for that. And what you do here is you actually mount this on your car, which I'll show you. I have it set up in my car right now. It's not in the box, I'm just showing you guys the features. So I have this set up in my car, which I'll show you in just a second. If you want to do Bluetooth, you can plug that aux in. If your car has an aux port, then you can plug your aux in, then connect to this through Bluetooth, and it'll play through the aux port. The USB is for the power, so you have to plug this in through the USB port in your car to get the power to this. But there's a few different ways you can stream the audio. So like I said, you can do the auxiliary through your car, or if your car doesn't even have an aux port, it'll transmit an FM frequency, so you can connect your car radio to it, and that's the ways that you can use it. So compatible with all cars regardless of the make or model, hands-free calls, HD sound quality, and a sleek design. So as you can see from the pictures, this does look very sleek, and it is. It's got lights under these buttons which look very nice, especially at nighttime. You can see it. So I'll just go ahead and show you what comes in the box. Not much. There's where your device would be, and then it gives you little stickers to mount it with. These white strips are to kind of like hold the cord, because it's got a long cord. Depending on where your ports are in your car, you might need a longer cord for it to stretch that far. But you got these white strips which are just kind of like hold the cords. You can like tape them to the wall in your car or something. And then this red strip right here is just like a double-sided sticky for the back of this device, so you can mount it on your car, which I will show you in just a second here. And then you just got your user manual and warranty. At Walmart, when I picked this up, I actually got an extra warranty for it. Like, I think it was like 3 years for like $3. It was cheap, so I figured, you know, why not. I have only had one problem with it, and I'll talk about that when we get in my car. So, like I said, I have the setup here in my car. My car does not have an aux port. Right there is actually where my audio goes through. That's in the back of my car. And then that cord comes up through here. Right here is the exhaust cord, or the aux cord that comes through to the transmitter. And then I have my power cord plugged in right here in my console through the USB. So the power cord comes through here. I got it duct taped here, and then I mounted the transmitter device right here on this smooth part of my dash, so I can control it while I'm driving. Obviously, it's got a very sleek design that matches the car very well. You got 3 big buttons here. This button is play and pause. Also, you can answer calls and hang up calls. Then this is back for skipping back on songs, and then skipping forward on songs is this one. And that's pretty much all the controls you have here. So when you turn the car on, alright, you can see the screen here is a nice LED display that'll tell you the frequency of the radio that it's on. But right now I'm not using it with the radio, I'm using it with the aux on my car. But if you don't have an aux port in your car, like I said before, you can connect this radio frequency to your car, and then your car radio can connect to that, and then from there this connects to your phone Bluetooth, and you can play music wirelessly. So when I turn my car on, my phone automatically connects, which is nice. As long as my Bluetooth is on, it'll connect automatically when it turns on. To connect your Bluetooth from the start, all you gotta do is press and hold this center button, and then it'll start searching for Bluetooth. It's called like Zeus Music on your phone is what it'll come up with. And then you can connect your phone. You got your microphones right there on top. So being in front of you as a driver, you can talk to it. It's got a really good microphone, noise canceling, all that good stuff. Works great. I've never had a problem with it. And like I said, the audio is really good compared to all the other competitors. It's crystal clear, the bass hits hard. There's no compromises that you have to take in sound quality when you're making your car Bluetooth. I mean, obviously, auxiliary ports are always going to sound just a bit crisper, more clear, but with this, honestly, I haven't been able to tell a difference, so that's pretty sick. To change your radio frequency, you press and hold one of the up or down arrows, and then just go up or down. And that's how you change it. You can press and hold to go faster, and then you just match that frequency with your car radio frequency, and that's how you connect it. One thing that I have had an issue with this is in the winter time. I'm in Colorado, so it gets cold in the winter, and my car is left outside. So the one problem I've had with this is in the winter, when I leave my car out and I come in the morning, and it's cold out, it actually won't. This will not connect to my phone until it warms up, which is really weird. I don't know. I guess it makes sense, but I figured it's around like whenever the temperature is below freezing, around 32 degrees or below, I usually have a problem with it. And the way I deal with it is I just like I'll turn on my heat, and then I'll kind of cup my hand over it to push the hot air towards this. But once it gets warmed up, you can connect. It's weird. It's kind of a pain. That's the only thing that I don't like about this. But you know, if you guys live somewhere warmer, or you store your car in a garage, it won't be a problem. That's the only problem I've had. But other than that, this is really great, and it's definitely a cheap way to make your car Bluetooth if you don't have like a Bluetooth radio or one of those aftermarket things. Those cost a lot of money, and then you have to install them. So this is a lot more simple. It'll just stick to your dash, and it's $25. If you guys like this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.